you are planning to take a prop firm challenge or you are already in the middle of one, this video is for you. Today I'm going to share things you absolutely need to remember if you want to pass successfully and keep your account. These are lessons learned the hard way, either from personal experience or from watching other traders fail for silly reasons. Let's go! Risk management is everything. The number one reason traders fail challenges: they over-leverage. Always keep your risk per trade under control, ideally 1% or less. Prop firms don't care how smart you are if you blow your account in 2 trades. Always use stop loss. Trading without a stop loss is just gambling. Seriously, even the best setups can go wrong. And once the loss gets out of your hand, your emotions take over. Stick to one strategy. Don't jump from one strategy to another just because you had one losing trade. If you have tested your setup, trust it. The challenge isn't about finding the perfect strategy, it's about consistency. In most prop trading firms, there's no time limit. You can trade at your own pace. Take your time, wait for the quality setups, and focus on consistency. That's what really matters. Control your emotions. Losses happens, is part of the game, but chasing them right after is what ruins most traders. Feel overwhelmed? Close the platform, take a break, your capital will thank you. Respect minimum trading days. Many prop firms require a minimum number of active trading days, usually 5 to 10. Don't forget that, or you will pass the challenge and still get rejected. Mind the daily drawdown limit. One bad day doesn't have to ruin your entire challenge. Keep an eye on your daily drawdown, and if the things aren't going your way, step back. Tomorrow is a new opportunity with the fresh mindset. Know the rules inside out. Each prop firm has its own set of rules. Most of them are similar, but remember to read the terms before you start. You don't want to pass the challenge and then get disqualified by breaking a rule you didn't even know existed. Track your trades and keep a journal. Write down what you did, why you entered the position, what worked, what didn't. Trading is 80% mental. Reviewing your own behavior is a game changer. A good journal shows you what to repeat and what to fix. Get a mentor. You don't have to go through this alone. If you know someone with more experience, ask questions, learn from them. Having the right guidance and support can save you a lot of time, frustration, and money. Why spend months or even years figuring things out the hard way when you can learn directly from someone who's already done it? Okay, now you know the rules for passing the challenge. Check out the video on how to register with the prop trading firm My Founding Account. And if you need more guidance, sign up for a free webinar where I explain everything in detail. Click the link below and register now.